Hi guys, welcome back to this new video, and in today's video I will explain about how to use Subspace app. So guys, if you don't know about Subspace, let me give you a brief intro about Subspace. Subspace is a product from Grow90 and it's a subscription marketplace where you can buy subscription at dirt cheap rate. You can not only buy subscription, you can track subscription, you can split subscription and share the costs among your friends. And if you don't have any friends, then don't worry, Subspace connects you some other members in the community and creates a group for you. So how to use Subspace app? Using Subspace app is very easy. You can download the Subspace app from the Play Store, or you can go to this URL app.subspace.money. Once you get inside this website, it will ask you for the phone number. You can insert the phone number and then give the OTP that you received in your phone. Once you get inside the Subspace website, first section is Explore. Inside Explore, you will have two segments. The first segment is all subscriptions, where you can buy subscription directly from the vendors. For example, if you want to get Tinder subscription, you can directly click on Tinder and it will give an option to select subscriptions. So if you want to buy the subscription yearly plan, you can click on the yearly plan, add to cart, and then you can pay and join the yearly plan. So the normal price for this subscription is 500, but at Subspace the prices will be 2999. So not only this, you can also join groups. So if you don't have any friends to share the subscription, you can join groups. For example, I want to join Netflix Premium. I can click on this and it will give me an option to select group. So I will directly click on join and then pay and then join that group. Subspace makes sure that your money is secure and the admin doesn't run away with your money. So that's why Subspace does a daily basis payment transaction with the admin. Now coming to the super search, if you are confused about where to watch some shows and all, so you can directly search for the shows by its name and then it will give you a suggestion where the show is listed. So for example, I want to search Big Boss. Now I don't know where to watch this Big Boss show, so that's why I'll search here and it will give me a suggestion where the Big Boss shows are available. Alright, so these are some of the features of Subspace app. If you want to know more about Subspace, you can go to subspace.money and sign up. Thank you.